Francisco, and we're gonna have some fireworks today because it's 4th of July, and we're super excited because it's our last here in California. So last 4th of July in California, and it's the first time we're gonna see firework in San Francisco at the Golden Bridge. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along and show you a little bit what's going on over here. It's super busy. Everyone is already parked and it's only 4 p.m. Everyone has spots already, but we want to go eat first because we're starving, and we parked the car already, but it looks amazing.
What's going on, YouTube? We're here at Pier 39. This is like our 5th time coming here, but every time we come here, we love it. Today is extra busy because it's 4th of July weekend, and this year is going to be the first time, the first time that they're going to light fireworks in a very long time. So I'm glad we came here as our last 4th of July celebration here in California.
Yes. Hey guys, look at my husband. Jeez, is that fine? Right? Flying, Rumi, look at you!
Okay, of course, San Francisco weather.
Ready to see the fireworks? Starting anyway. So we're heading back home, and oh my gosh, the firework was covered in clouds.
Where's my hat at?
So you can see it, and yeah, there was no point to stay. That was just, you will probably see it on the video, but yeah, happy 4th of July, everyone.
What a disappointment. San Francisco coming in with the clouds, ruining the entire show.
Yeah.